What's good, YouTube? It's J back with another video. Period. Okay, y'all, so today I decided to do a spend a productive day video with me. Okay, y'all, so I have a couple things I have to do today, but there might be other things. Right now I'm just chilling in my room. I didn't have any class yet. I have class at 7 o'clock, so I don't have no classes. That's why I got to sleep in. So right now I'm actually gonna eat something because I'm pretty hungry. I made chili last night, so that's what I'm gonna be eating. And then I also warmed me up a nice little hot tea. I guess I'll tell y'all real quick before I eat and sit down and stuff what I'm gonna do the rest of the day. I have to do some laundry for sure. I'm probably gonna clean. Well, I'm definitely gonna clean because my room is quite dirty. And I'll probably clean the bathroom as well. And then I might go to the gym. It's a lot of mights today, but since I wanna be productive, it's probably all gonna happen. Y'all, I wasn't even supposed to be talking in this video, but y'all, my boyfriend posted me. Ah! Stop it. Hey guys, I'm back. So I finished eating my food and drinking my tea. I actually ended up watching a couple episodes of the show I'm watching now, which is New Amsterdam. I don't know if you guys heard of it, but it's like a medical show. It's really good. So it is now 1:53. Like, it is kind of getting late. Not late, but later in the day. I'm gonna go ahead and go start my laundry, and then I'm gonna take a shower. So I'm gonna probably wash my darks first. Okay, I got my Tide Pods. I put 2 for each load. I'm gonna try to do 2 loads at once. We're gonna see if that works out. And I used also Snuggle fabric softener. I got my mask and my ID card, and I'm gonna be on my way. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I just got done. I got 1 load of laundry, and there's actually 4 washers open, but the girl that was in there before me, she was like, she's about to use 3 washers, and I'm like, okay. I'm about to go ahead and go take a shower now, show y'all my little shower routine. So let's go. So my laundry still has about 15 minutes left on it. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do for this next 15 minutes. Usually, by the time I take a shower, doing my face stuff, my laundry is done. I think right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and sit in my bed and try to get done a little bit of work. Okay guys, so this is what my blackboard is looking like, which is my college work classes website. I don't know. So let's take a look at the discussion board for this week for my Homeland Security class. I like to copy and paste my discussion board questions onto a different document. Hey guys, I'm back. So I actually finished my discussion board really quick. I've never finished it that fast. That's crazy. So my laundry has been done for probably the past 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and go switch out my laundry. Hopefully I can get 2 washers this time so that, you know, I can finish my laundry faster. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just was able to get 2 washers, which was good. So I'm about to clean my room now, y'all. I still have to do a little bit more work, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean my room. I'm gonna show you guys what my room looks like before. But yeah, I wiped down my desk. I cleaned out my microwave. This is just messy. I wiped this area down. I cleaned up this area. I took the trash out. I still need to clean these sheets, so I'm not making my bed or anything. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bathroom. I'm gonna put this away, and then I'm gonna take the sheets off my bed so I can wash my sheets next. Guys, I'm back. So right now it is 6 o'clock on the dot. I just brought in my third load. I think this is my third load from the dryer because I have one more thing left in there in the dryer. Right now I'm about to get some food because I'm hungry, but most likely I'm gonna get food on campus. See y'all when I get back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I got my food. I'm gonna show you what I got. I got a wrap. I was gonna get a salad, but then I was like, not really feeling salad. It just has chicken, corn, beans, rice, lettuce, cheese. And then I got a sauce, which probably isn't even gonna be enough for the whole entire wrap, but it's okay. So I'll talk to y'all probably after I get my stuff in the dryer later on today. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I finally finished my laundry. The last 2 loads of laundry are on my bed right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that stuff away, put the sheets back on my bed, make my bed, all that. I'm gonna do a little time lapse, so.
I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, I want
Okay y'all, so I'm done making my bed and this is what it looks like. Period. One thing that I didn't do yet that I'm probably gonna do is disinfect. I think the only other thing I'm gonna do tonight is I'm gonna make me some cake, y'all. This is like really random because I don't even make cake, or I'm not like a baker. So welcome to Cooking with Amir Day, college style. So here's the video up here, or I don't even know, whatever corner of my last cooking video. Go watch it. Ingredients, not ingredients, but things we're gonna be using. This pan, like I'm using this bowl to stir it in. Eggs, and we need a cup of water. So let's do aesthetic. Look, it's my boyfriend. So why are you being so awkward? I ate some and it was okay. That's what it looks like this. Tastes fine with the icing, I guess. Okay, y'all, so it is now 10 o'clock. And this is the end of my video, y'all, because I'm not really doing nothing else productive. So I ate like that wrap earlier, but I got hungry again. So I made myself some of that chili I had earlier. I put some cheese on top of it and probably knock out some work. But other than that, this is like the end of my day. Let me know if y'all want a night routine, because if y'all do, I'll actually end the video before I go to sleep. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you on my next video. Deuces. Okay, actual last clip. Featuring Dalen.
Hi guys.
Oh, your voice was really deep there. Okay, bye.